have my March 2021 Boxycharm unboxing. So you guys are going to see my February one first, and you're going to see my disappointment in it, and hear me say how I was going to go with premium and stuff like that. But I had other change of plans. I got accepted for Fingerhut credit, so I have to start paying that. So I'm going to have to stay with the base box for a while, because I got Micah a TV stand for his birthday using my credit. So yeah, with that being said, I'm staying with the base box and just dealing with what I get. Either way, I love Boxycharm. I love getting new items. Even if it's not all the way makeup items, I still like trying new things. So with that being said, let's get started with this video. All my disclaimers and my links are in the description. So yeah, so here's the card. It says Lucky. And we're just going to jump right into this. So you guys will obviously probably have seen this tutorial before you see this video. And I did it using this palette, which is the first thing on the list. So it says Lime Crime Venus 3 Eyeshadow Palette. This palette is filled with Rapturous Lilac, Rose Gold, Mauve, and Earthly Brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself. This MSRP's for $38. Hashtag LimeCrimeLucky if you want to see other people's opinions or looks. So I honestly love this palette so much. It's so pretty. Sorry guys, I literally dropped the palette. But it's so pretty and I love the box. It's super cute. And Venus looks gorgeous as always, and that rose gold against that lilac purple is so stunning. It's so angelic. I love it. Okay, so the next thing is this. Oh my goodness! I dropped the whole box. Okay, we're just gonna go with it. We're just gonna go with it. You guys are going to see bloopers in the videos. I don't care. Alright. I'm human and I make mistakes. So, this is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. So, it says a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's non-comedogenic and non-acnegenic, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. It's your recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin. MSRP's for $39. Bang. Hashtag glow recipe. Okay. Micah's just looking at the package.
Like banana.
I can't. I'm keeping that in. I wish I would have had your face.
Boxycharm. That what's called option with.
Look how cute this is, though. The packaging is stunning. Like, I love this. I can't wait to stick it in there, in my face mask or my face thing. I wonder if you could stick glass in there, though. I wouldn't want to try it. I'm so excited to try this, especially because I have sensitive skin. Sorry about the hair blowing in my face. It's literally hot in our room, so you guys are going to have to deal with the fan and the air blowing in my face, or the hair blowing in my face. I'm so excited to try this. Hashtag Glow Recipe Lucky. I know I was laughing when I said that. If you guys want to see other people's opinions or how they use it, definitely go and check out that hashtag on Instagram. Next up is the Mauve Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. This is what it looks like. It says, set your intentions and your makeup with this aura lifting, antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. MSRP for $22. Hashtag Mauve Beauty Lucky, and it's a new launch. So that's exciting. This is a new launch. It doesn't want to come out the box. Looks like this. Let's spray a little bit on my... I wasn't even spraying it in my face. The bottle's not even spraying right. It's spraying on my arm. Oh, I feel it now. That feels good. And it smells good too. So that was the setting spray. Next up is the KAB Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. This is in blue raspberry. Mika will want to steal this. Sorry, Mika, it's not yours. This is the KAB Lip Oil. And it says, say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello. Okay, I'm sorry guys about the thing that went on with the iPhone. I ran out of storage. So I'm just going to skim through what I said. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. MSRP's for $20. So it looks like this. The packaging is so pretty. It actually smells like a little bit more of like marshmallows than it does like blueberry, but that's probably because it's not on the lips. Here's a swatch. It's just clear. These swatches are from something else. My Dollar Tree haul, which you guys will see soon. So I'm really freaking happy with this and the palette and the banana cream so far. So last but not least is this lavish wet brush cleaning system. So it says, a convenient brush cleaning system to quickly and easily remove makeup residue from cosmetic brushes. A textured silicone pad stores nicely inside the container. MSRP is for $15. Hashtag lavish lucky. Also for the lip oil, it's hashtag KAB lucky if you want to see other people's opinion. So I'm really excited to try this. It comes with like its own soap, and then it comes with like the silicone thing, and it actually cleans your brushes. I haven't tried it yet because I wanted to do this video for you guys. So that was my Boxycharm for the month of March. I am going to be getting one for April. I'm already like, I want to say 3 months in already, and I'm getting the April. So I'm super excited to see what I'm getting this month. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. It's more of a re-unboxing, but like I tell Mika, the reason why I open things before I open them with you guys is if there's anything that's broken, missing, damaged, I need to contact the customer service obviously within a good time frame to be able to get a new product in, and then I would still show you guys the product came damaged, but they're going to send me a new one. So whenever I say unboxing, and even though the box is already open, it's just to check the product. It's not to use it. I haven't used any of these products besides tonight when I used the palette for the first time for this soft purple galaxy makeup tutorial, which is coming very soon. Like I said, you guys are probably going to see that before you see this haul or this unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, sorry about all that fuss with the iPhone storage. I'm going to clear off my storage this weekend. So peace guys, we love you, and see you in the next video. Bye!
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.